All-new 2026 Yamaha BOLT R. The bobber legend returns darker, smarter, and more powerful than ever. What if Yamaha finally answered every cruiser fan's biggest wish and unveiled an all-new BOLT R that blends timeless bobber styling with modern performance? Meet the all-new 2026 Yamaha BOLT R. The motorcycle enthusiasts have been waiting years to see. While Yamaha has not officially announced a completely redesigned 2026 BOLT R, excitement surrounding the model continues to grow among cruiser fans, fueled by rumors and concept discussions across the motorcycle community. Imagine a factory-fresh BOLT R that keeps its minimalist soul but gains sharper styling, premium technology, and even more refined V-twin performance. The result would be a motorcycle capable of challenging the Harley-Davidson Nightster, Honda Rebel 1100, and Indian Scout in one of the hottest cruiser segments on the market. From its low stance and muscular fuel tank to its blacked-out engine and aggressive bobber proportions, the BOLT R looks ready to dominate city streets and open highways alike. It's compact enough for everyday commuting, yet bold enough to steal attention at every bike meet. If Yamaha ever delivers this vision, it won't simply revive a legendary name, it could redefine what riders expect from a modern middleweight cruiser. Power has always been the heart of the Yamaha BOLT R, and any modern version would proudly continue that tradition. The current BOLT R-Spec uses a 942cc air-cooled 60-degree SOHC V-twin, specifically tuned to deliver strong, low and mid-range torque, rather than chasing peak horsepower. Yamaha designed the engine to provide immediate throttle response, making every traffic light, backroad and highway entrance an opportunity to enjoy effortless acceleration. Fuel injection keeps throttle response smooth and predictable in every riding condition, while the 5-speed gearbox delivers satisfying shifts with classic cruiser simplicity. The engine's relaxed character encourages riders to enjoy the journey instead of constantly chasing high RPM. Yamaha's engineering philosophy has always focused on making motorcycles approachable without sacrificing excitement, and the BOLT perfectly reflects that balance. Even with its traditional air-cooled layout, the engine feels refined, dependable, and surprisingly lively. If an all-new 2026 version arrives, enthusiasts expect Yamaha to preserve that torquey personality while adding cleaner emissions, smoother refinement, and perhaps a sixth gear for more relaxed highway cruising. The soul of the BOLT has never been about numbers, it has always been about real-world enjoyment. The Yamaha BOLT R has always stood apart because it embraced simplicity instead of excess. A future all-new model would likely preserve that unmistakable factory bobber identity while refining every detail. The low-profile fuel tank, solo-style saddle, chopped rear fender, blacked-out V-twin engine, and minimalist bodywork create a timeless silhouette that looks just as good today as it did when the BOLT first appeared. Unlike cruisers overloaded with chrome and oversized accessories, the BOLT T celebrates clean lines and mechanical honesty. The compact chassis proudly displays the engine as the motorcycle's centerpiece, while premium LED lighting and modern paint finishes could bring the design firmly into the present. A darker Raven-inspired color option would further enhance its aggressive personality. Park it beside larger cruisers, and the BOLT R immediately stands out through proportion rather than size. It looks lean, athletic, and purposeful. That's exactly why so many riders continue admiring Yamaha's bobber long after its original debut. Great motorcycle design isn't measured by complexity, it's measured by how memorable it remains years later. One of the greatest strengths of the BOLT R has always been its approachable riding experience. Unlike heavyweight cruisers that can intimidate newer riders, the BOLT combines a low seat height with a relatively compact chassis, making it comfortable for riders of different sizes and experience levels. The relaxed ergonomics encourage all-day riding without feeling overly stretched, while the wide handlebars provide excellent control at both low and highway speeds. The motorcycle feels balanced through corners and remarkably manageable in city traffic, proving that cruisers don't have to be massive to deliver confidence. The suspension strikes a practical balance between comfort and control, soaking up rough pavement while maintaining predictable handling. A future redesign could introduce upgraded suspension components, improved braking performance, and a lighter frame without compromising the Bolt's friendly personality. Whether commuting during the week or exploring scenic roads on weekends, the motorcycle rewards smooth, enjoyable riding rather than demanding constant attention. That's exactly why the Bolt has become a favorite among riders looking for an authentic cruiser that's easy to own and even easier to enjoy. If Yamaha introduces an all-new Bolt R, riders naturally expect meaningful technology upgrades without sacrificing its classic appeal. Full LED lighting, a TFT or improved LCD instrument display, USB charging, keyless ignition, selectable ride modes, traction control, and standard ABS could all become realistic additions while preserving the motorcycle's clean, uncluttered appearance. Unlike technology-heavy touring motorcycles, the Bolt should continue emphasizing rider involvement first and electronics second. Every upgrade should enhance safety, convenience, or reliability without disconnecting riders from the machine itself. Yamaha has successfully achieved this balance across many of its recent motorcycles, blending modern engineering with timeless design. The result could be a cruiser that feels contemporary without becoming overly complicated. Riders want innovation that improves the experience, not technology that distracts from it. That's where Yamaha has an opportunity to make the next Bolt R one of the most attractive middleweight cruisers in the industry. Simplicity has always been one of its greatest strengths, and preserving that philosophy will be just as important as introducing new features. The beauty of the Boltar lies in its versatility. It's equally comfortable weaving through downtown traffic as it is cruising winding country roads. The torquey VT twin engine eliminates the need for constant gear changes, making everyday riding feel smooth and relaxed. Highway cruising remains comfortable thanks to the motorcycle's stable chassis, while optional accessories such as saddlebags, passenger backrests, and windshields transform it into a capable light touring machine. Unlike oversized cruisers that can feel cumbersome around town, the Bolt encourages riders to use it every day. Fuel economy, manageable dimensions, and dependable Yamaha engineering make ownership refreshingly straightforward. An updated 2026 version could further improve long-distance comfort through revised ergonomics and upgraded suspension while maintaining the motorcycle's signature compact character. That's a combination few cruisers manage successfully. The Bolt doesn't force riders to choose between practicality and personality. It delivers both. Whether you're heading to work, meeting friends, or disappearing for a weekend adventure, the motorcycle always feels ready for the next destination. Every memorable cruiser has its own soundtrack, and the Yamaha Bolt R is no exception. Press the starter button and the air-cooled VT twin immediately settles into a deep, rhythmic idle that reflects its relaxed personality. Open the throttle, and the engine responds with a rich mechanical rumble that feels authentic rather than artificial. It's a sound that perfectly complements the motorcycle's stripped-down bobber styling. Unlike high-revving sport motorcycles, the Bolt encourages riders to enjoy the engine's broad torque and satisfying pulse. Many owners personalize their motorcycles with aftermarket exhaust systems, creating an even deeper soundtrack while preserving the engine's dependable nature. Community discussions frequently praise the Bolt for its approachable power delivery, comfortable ergonomics, and enjoyable character during everyday riding. The motorcycle isn't about overwhelming speed, it's about making every ride feel engaging through smooth power, authentic VT twin personality, and mechanical simplicity. Long after the ride ends, it's usually the sound and the smile that riders remember most. Years after its introduction, the Yamaha Bolt continues attracting loyal owners because it delivers exactly what many riders want from a cruiser: honest engineering, dependable reliability, and timeless style. Instead of constantly chasing trends, Yamaha created a motorcycle that remains relevant through balance, rather than excess. Owners consistently praise its low maintenance, comfortable riding position, and impressive customization potential. Whether transformed into a cafe-inspired machine, a touring cruiser, or a stripped-down bobber, the Bolt adapts easily to its owner's personality. Enthusiast communities remain active, sharing modifications, long-distance adventures, and creative custom builds that prove the platform still inspires passion today. That's a sign of a truly successful motorcycle. It isn't simply purchased, it becomes part of its owner's lifestyle. If Yamaha introduces an all-new version, it will inherit a reputation built on years of dependable performance and enthusiastic community support. Few motorcycles earn that kind of lasting respect. If Yamaha officially launches an all-new 2026 Bolt R, it would immediately enter one of the most competitive cruiser segments in the world. Rivals such as the Harley-Davidson Nightster, Honda Rebel 1100, Kawasaki Eliminator, and Indian Scout each offer unique strengths, but the Bolt has always competed differently. It focuses on lightweight simplicity, proven reliability, and genuine riding enjoyment rather than chasing the biggest engine or the longest feature list. Yamaha already continues offering the Bolt R-Spec in North America, demonstrating the model still has a place within the company's lineup. A redesigned version with updated styling, improved technology, and refined performance could easily become one of Yamaha's strongest cruiser offerings. More importantly, it would appeal to riders seeking a motorcycle that's approachable enough for beginners, yet satisfying enough for experienced enthusiasts. That's a difficult balance to achieve, but the Bolt has been proving it's possible for years. The all-new 2026 Yamaha Bolt R may still be the motorcycle countless riders hope Yamaha will build, but the foundation already exists for something truly exceptional. With its legendary 942cc VT twin, timeless factory bobber styling, approachable handling, and Yamaha's reputation for reliability, the Bolt remains one of the most respected middleweight cruisers ever produced. A genuine next-generation version, featuring updated technology, premium suspension, LED lighting, and refined styling could instantly become one of the hottest motorcycles in the cruiser market. Until Yamaha makes an official announcement, however, those redesign expectations remain speculation, while the current Bolt R-Spec continues carrying the name forward. One thing is certain, the demand is still there. Riders continue asking for a modern Bolt that preserves its minimalist soul while embracing the future. Now we want to hear from you. Would you buy an all-new 2026 Yamaha Bolt R if Yamaha officially revealed it tomorrow? Or would you choose the Honda Rebel 1100, Harley-Davidson Nightster, Indian Scout, or Kawasaki Eliminator instead? Tell us your choice in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because the next legendary cruiser revival could be closer than anyone expects.